हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज मैं इंग्लिश का मॉक टेस्ट देने जा रही हूँ, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सिनोनियम ऑफ द वर्ड बेनेवोलेंस इज कंपैशन, केयरलेसनेस, हार्ड हार्टेड, बेनिफिशियल, कंपैशन, काइंड, ये सब होते हैं। Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word: hydric, xeric, mesic, aquiferous, succulent. Hydric, xeric, maybe. B, C. This shift altered traditional communication patterns. Social media platform gained rapid popularity. People began sharing opinions instantly. As a result, information spread faster than ever before. तो B से starting होगी, then social media rapid popularity to traditional communication pattern. B के बाद I guess A आएगा. Correct indirect form of the given sentence. Hitesh said Bharat will take care of the cats while we are away. Hitesh said that Bharat would take care of the cats while they were away. I went and informed Dash police about the theft. I went and informed the police about informed police. Select the sentence with no spelling error. Water leakage. Galat. Leakage was thought to be a major cause of landslides. Leakage was galat. Leakage was thought to be major cause of land. यही सही है. No spelling error. Please open my bag and check if my physics notebook is there. Rakesh said to Rajesh. Rakesh asked या requested, नहीं requested ही आएगा, please है तो Rajesh to open his bag and check if his physics book notebook was there. See if his incorrectly spelled word calculate, calculable, calculated, calculator. Parajumble again. A survey on parking in Delhi in the city were underutilized found that several multi-level car parks because there was no parking charge on public land. A survey on parking in Delhi. A उसके बाद B yes. इसको भी करते हैं थोड़ा टाइम में. As you sow, so you reap. So dash you reap. So shall you reap. A couple of parrots dashed on the telephone wire. A couple of parrots flew, seeded, waited, perched. Maybe perched. तुक्का है ये तो मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ इसमें. A state of being pleasantly lost in one's dream. Hallucination, fantasy, reverie, illusion. A state of being pleasantly lost in one's dream. I guess hallucination ही होगा. हाँ, maybe. Choose the correct sentence from the following. She can have neither tea nor coffee. Galat. He neither keeps the keys himself nor leaves them with his wife. He was wearing neither a shirt nor a coat. Neither he not his wife. यही सही लग रहा है. He was wearing neither a coat. Choose the word which express nearly the opposite meaning of suspicion. Suspicion, guess, belief, doubt, idea. Belief. Dereliction क्या करना है इसका? A popular activity that attract growing support. Empowering someone, arguing to one's senior, the act of carelessness. Oh, to die in harness, to die in horseback, die in battlefield, die while still working. ये हाँ यही होता है. नहीं, शहीद भगत सिंह was a patriot completely. Was completely का phrase To nigh, by and by, down and out, through and through, off and on. Maybe. Sure news. My Lakshmi is in dash of our college. Alumni, alumni, pata nahi. Let my money be given to charity. Let my money be given. Okay. Which tense and form fits best? First में seafood, a culinary treasure enjoy worldwide, manifests itself in myriad form. Each preparation reflecting the unique cultural ethos of its place of origin. In Japan, sushi meticulously prepared with raw fish dash centuries older. Raw fish encapsulates centuries old tradition of balance and minimalism. I guess, शायद. Meanwhile, in Spain, paella, a vibrant dish brimming with seafood, rice, and spices, illustrate how coastal abundance dash into a national culinary identity. Coastal abundance has Spain. How coastal abundance? Why does mask most nearly mean here? Mask, because from the briny stews of New England to the spicy mo- uh, of Brazil's seafood's versatility seems limitless. One striking feature across culture is an emphasis on freshness, for without it, even the most elaborate seasoning cannot mask the decline in quality. Uh, which auxiliary model fits best? Uh, Interestingly, contemporary gastronomy dash traditional practices with innovative techniques such as molecular gastronomy. Uh, Contemporary gastronomy must blend traditional practices, which one? What does linchpin most nearly mean in the context? Um, Reimagining seafood into forms where gels without losing its intrinsic essence. Ultimately, seafood continue to be a linchpin in both humble kitchen and hot cuisine, uniting ocean and table alike. Linchpin, minor retail essential element, temporary tent, heavy burden. I guess ये पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से शब्द ढूंढ के लाते हैं. Incorrectly spelled calculator. Um, A survey on parking in Delhi, C, B or D. In Delhi, a survey on parking in Delhi found that several multi-level car parks, उसके बाद in parks in the city were underutilized because there was no parking charge on public land. मेरे हिसाब से तो यही लग रहा है. Um, The transition towards a green hydrogen economy is often touted as the definitive solution to the intermittency of renewable energy as well PQRS, by leveraging service surplus electrolyte capacity to decouple power generation from immediate demand. Although this transition necessitates a massive overhaul of existing cryogenic infrastructure and requiring a level of international regulatory synchronization seldom seen in industrial history, effectively transforming volatile wind and solar inputs into a stable, transportable chemical commodity. Piece सो दिस वॉज माई स्कोर. आई नो काफ़ी कम है बट ठीक है, जो भी है. सो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.